Hello all. In this video, I will talk about two important character functions. One is substr and the other one is scan. So first we'll start with substr. So what does it do? It will extract your substring from a string. So for example, I have taken one word programmer. Okay. Now by using SAS, I will get only grammar and PRO has been removed. So this is what your substr does. Now when we come to syntax, we need to know two part here. One is right of is equal to and one is left of is equal to. So let's try to understand first right of is equal to. So over here, see you have is equal to over here. Now where is substr? Is it at right or left? Right now you can see substr is at right when we see from is equal to. So it is called as right of is equal to substr. Over here the syntax will be variable name is equal to substr string comma start position. So let's say over here if I take this example only, I wanted grammar, right? Where is the start position? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the start position will be 4. And then number of characters required. Let me count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need 7 characters. So start position will be 4. Number of character required will be 7. So this is how we write for right of is equal to substr. Over here I have taken the same example programmer, which is x is equal to programmer. So variable name is y is equal to substr parenthesis string is x, so I wrote x comma start position. I want grammar, right? So start position is 4 for g, so 4 is written here comma the number of characters required. You can count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now I'll just run it. You will get grammar. Can you see over here? Grammar came. Yeah. So this is your right of. How will you remember right of and left of? It is a little confusing. Just remember where is equal to. If the substr is present at right from is equal to, then it is right of. And if the substr is present left from is equal to, that is your left of is equal to. Over here you can see is equal to is here, substr is here, that means this is your left of function. Now substr syntax will see substr parenthesis string comma start position comma number of characters required. So this part is same, right? This part is same. Now what is coming after is equal to is characters to replace. So now let's say I have programmer over here. I'll try to make you understand this part. Programmer, I want to replace pro. Now I'm replacing, I'm not extracting a substring, I'm replacing word. So I want to replace pro with bad. Okay, so it will become bad grammar, right? So substr parenthesis string comma start position. I want to start, it is starting from first because I want to replace pro. So 1 comma how many characters required? Pro 3 characters. So 3 is equal to in quoted string bad because it is character. So in quoted string in quotation I have to give. So I have written bad and then semicolon. Now I will run it. So you will get bad grammar. See, you got bad grammar. So your substr right of function is used to extract the substring, but left of function helps you to replace the words, okay, in a given string. Okay, so I hope substr is clear to all of you. Now I'll move on to the next function known as scan. Okay, now in scan there are two important things you need to know. One, in terms of interview they will ask you a delimiter related question, okay, and what is scan function. So these are the two questions they ask. Scan function basically writes your nth word from a string. So let's say you have a string, okay, and then you have to select a word from it. So scan helps you in that. So the general syntax is variable name is equal to scan parenthesis string comma position of word. So I'll tell you by an example comma the optional thing is delimiter close parenthesis semicolon. So first remove this. First we'll talk only about string comma position of word, okay. So over here can you see my string is my name is Dr. Sass, okay. Now let's say I want to get Sass, okay. So just count the position. So you know string will be X. Position of word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your, all these are word, right? I'm counting the word, position of word. So SAS is at 5th. So 5 I wrote. Now I can write it from right side also. Okay. From right side if you write it will be -1, -2 for doctor, -3 is, -4 will be name, -5 will be my. So either to get SAS I can write x comma 5 or x comma -1. So let me run it, and both the result you will get SAS. See, y and z are same value, correct? Now we'll talk about the delimiter. So what I told you, delimiter is a separator, right? So delimiter is an optional thing, but usually in interview they ask about this only. So what they will do is, see, they will give you a string like this where you I have my name is comma Dr. Sass. Now they will tell you, if you use scan function here and I insert comma as delimiter, can you see delimiter I have given in quotation over here, and I have given 2, then what will I get? So you might get confused and tell you will get name, because that is at the position 2, wrong. Once you insert the delimiter, now this space is not a delimiter, now this delimiter is comma. So 1 will be my name is and 2 will be Dr. Sass. So in Z you will get Dr. Sass. And then over here, can you see? I have not used the delimiter, but I have given 4. That is 1, 2, 3. Now you might get confused and tell comma. No, it's not a word, right? It's a special character. So doctor is the next word. So for Y you will get doctor. Why? Because see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 is not comma. Comma is a special character. Doctor is the word, right? So you will get doctor here. And in Z is equal to scan x comma 2 comma delimiter I have given. So now it will consider comma as a delimiter. Okay, so my name is will become number 1 and Dr. Says will become number 2, because space will not be acknowledged as a delimiter now, because we have provided delimiter as comma. So I will just run it. See, for Y you got doctor, see 4 doctor, and for Z you got Dr. Sass. See, now if I give it as 1 you will get my name is, right? If I give 1 you will get my name is. See, so I hope you understood the questions here. Now when it comes to interview, Substr and scan, they will first ask you what do you understand by that. Then they will ask you the syntax. Sometimes they also ask you, do you know what are the types of Substr? So you have to tell left off and right off that time. So don't get confused with left off and right off. And then with scan, they usually give you a string where there will be a delimiter, and then they will ask you questions. So I've given you an example to explain that. That's all in this video. I hope my video is clear. Stay tuned with my channel. Daily I'll try to upload 1 or 2 videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.